Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can charge your iPhone in a faster way. Like if you're in a hurry, or if you want to charge your faster. If you want to charge your phone really fast, how you can do that. So you have three simple ways. So right now, I'll show you the best way to do the fastest charging. Your only focus is to fast charge your iPhone because you need it for a while. So now you have three options. First of all, if you have any MacBook charger, you guys can see here, use the MacBook charger. And mine, in my case, it's 67-watt charger, right? And it have the USB type C to C. So if you have magnetic charger for the MacBook, that's not gonna work, of course. So what MacBook charger will do, it will give 40 watts and 15 volts to phone, and it will charge your phone much faster, right? The thing is, iPhones can support higher charging speeds, but the official charger which came in from by Apple for phones is just have it just can provide only 20 watts. So you can directly plug in your phone with MacBook charger. I'll not recommend you to do this, like make it as a practice or do it every day. I'll just recommend you to, when you need it very, like when you need it badly, you need your phone charged, you can plug it your phone in with the MacBook charger and it will charge with really good speeds. I use MacBook charger and my phone literally starts from 20 to 100 and within and a half hour. So that's amazing charging speeds. I have checked iPhone 16 Sport, iPhone 16 whole lineup sports 15 volts and 27-watt charging. That's too much. I mean, that's great. That's because Apple shifted to Type C. That's why it's supporting that higher charging speeds. But in the normal circumstances, if you don't want to use the high wattage charger, what you can do, just remove the big hefty case. If you're using an outer box especially, make sure you charge your phone in an airy space, because your iPhone needs to cool down itself when it's plugged in, because while charging, iPhone do heat. Because the thing is, when it's doing or it's consuming power, iPhone is charging the battery, the circuit heats, because the of course it's not less than 9 volts, and 20 watts are not less. A phone is charging with really high charging speeds, high wattage, right? So make sure your phone is not under the pillow or under anything. It needs something to dissipate heat, right? So make sure you maintain the good airy conditions around the phone while your phone is on charge. Make sure it's on wooden surface, because wood will dissipate heat, or it's the good conductor of heat, right? It will act as a heat sink. And make sure your phone, you just turn off the data if you want. That's just simple practices, because if you're still, the tasks are going on at the background of your phone is charging, but right now, while charging, it's losing power, because these things are working at the background. So if you can power off your phone for a while, you can. That will be the best, because then the battery will only focus on charging, not focus on providing power to phone. So that's a simple key, that's simple way to set your phone at the faster, higher speeds, right? Charging speeds. So that's the whole simple fix. Hope you guys find this trick helpful. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Thank you so much.